back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Justin Tate followed behind him. And the number 10 will be Perry Brown. And the 00, Alex Eastridge. The 07 of Atticus King. And the 12, Caroline King. And 43, who ain't out there. First one back to the flag stands, going to number 8, Alex Eastridge, Perry Brown, and Caroline King. Perry Brown's going to try to make his move, but oh. Looks like the number 10 is going to make his way in. Possible flat tire there after taking the hit in turn number 4. Be 2 laps to go for a race leader, the number 8 of Justin Tate. And now it's white flag out for the leader. White flag. Last turn around the track. And the checkered flag is waving for the number 8 of Justin Tate. In the number 2 spot, Alex Eastridge.
Well, Justin, I think you had a good time there. There were a couple people behind you, but you're just a little bit smoother.
Yeah, Alex, he's definitely looking better. I kept watching him in the mirror, and he kept coming. Not sure what happened to Perry, but was really excited to do some racing with him. But First off, I got to thank the good Lord for keeping me safe. My little girl, my wife, Kevin, Caleb, Mason, Marty, Perry, Sweat Excavation, Land Management, TNT Performance, Explosive Vinyl, BK Auto, Reeves Racing, Jack Billings Jr., and my mom and dad. I think that's all.
All right, congratulations. And how are you tonight? Oh, you're that good. Okay. Let's see who the driver is up here.
Okay. My name's Alex Eastridge, and I'm from Marion, Virginia.
And you drive this car. You did really well tonight. Did you have a good time?
Yes, sir. It's always a fun time here. If it wasn't for Justin helping me a little bit on the setup, I'd have never been here where I'm at now. So I gotta appreciate Justin.
Well, he knows a lot, and he's certainly glad to help you. So you know you can be right up there with him.
Yeah, it's always fun. I've raced with Justin for a couple years now, even when he was in U-Car. It's always a blast.
All right, good job.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hey.
Thank you. You did a good job there. And you did a good job too. All right. Well, tell me about it.
It was great. I'd like to thank my mom, my stepdad, my stepmom, my sister, my grandma, my whole family for helping me out and getting me up here and keeping me doing what I love. And I'd like to thank God for a safe race, and I'll catch him eventually.
All right. Now that's right. You know, there's only two cars in front of you till you'll be in first place.
Yeah.
All right. You got that. So thank you all for coming. See you next week.
All right, congratulations again to that number 8 of Justin Tate. And while we got a second here, we got some birthdays here at Wythe Raceway. We'd like to wish a happy birthday to Dylan Cox, Brooklyn Moore, and the all-famous Lug Nut. Happy birthday to y'all from Wythe Raceway.